Welcome to How Do You Say with me, John Dow, the conversation coach. This is where we're going to tackle some pronunciation practice for you English learners out there. So let's jump into it. Let's talk about today's word or sound, actually, the STR sounds. So this came from Kanye, not that Kanye, but another better Kanye. And he was asking me on my Twitch stream these STR sounds. His background is being Scandinavian, and what happens is for words like strong and strength, they add an extra sh sound, an sh. So, how are ways that you can get around this to properly pronounce strong and strength without strong strength? And when he asked me initially, and this is a big problem with anything pronunciation related, it's really easy to overthink. And when you're put on the spot, what's the right way to say it? You overthink it, you try to like jackhammer the correct pronunciation, and that's never going to work, and that's not going to be very helpful. And even if you said those words correctly in isolation, how do you string them along together to say it in a sentence or to talk about something that's part of a conversation? But let's break it down really quick. And this STR, let's forget about the S for a second, but let's focus on a chewy sound. So chew, choo-choo train, ch. Focus on that sound. So that TR, even though there's a T, even though there's a R, focus on the ch. Okay? Then we're going to add the S in front of it. So not a sh with the H, but a s. Okay? You're a snake, essentially. Do this really slow. Wrong. Wrong. Strength. Okay? I'm sure I sound really stupid. This is not going to be a procedure where you feel smart while you do it, but take it nice and slow at the beginning before you amp up and increase the speed. So one more time together here. Strong. Strength. Strong. Strength. Strong. Strength. I am very strong. I have a lot of strength. Okay? So with that method in place, there's no shh, because shh is about being quiet or the world is full of shit, right? Okay? No shh, but strong strength. That's going to be it for this video. I finally nailed it. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I meant to put it out sooner. But if you found it helpful, thumbs up. Not so helpful, thumbs down. Share with your friends, share with your fellow linguists and other people who are working on the pronunciation. Any other comments, leave them below, and you can always reach me on Twitter for more direct, immediate feedback at COMMDAO. Calm down, let's talk.